In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a glitch text effect in Canva step by step. This is a really cool effect that you can use for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, gaming graphics, posters, or any modern digital design. The best part is that you don't need any advanced design skills, and you can do this directly inside Canva in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up for free using your email or Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and different design options. From here, click on any file of your choice. This could be an existing design you're already working on, or you can create a brand new design by choosing a template or custom canvas size. Once your design opens, you'll see the editor with your canvas in the center and tools on the left and top. Now, click on any text element in your design. If you don't already have text added, simply click on the text option on the left panel and add a heading or body text to your canvas. Type in the text you want to apply the glitch effect to. This could be a title, a name, or any word you want to stand out. After selecting the text, look at the top toolbar. You'll see several options related to text styling. From this toolbar, click on the option called Effects. This will open up the Text Effects panel, where Canva shows different styles and visual effects you can apply to your text. Inside the Effects panel, scroll through the available options until you find the one called Glitch. Once you see it, click on the glitch effect. Instantly, you'll notice that your text changes and takes on that digital, distorted glitch look. At this point, the glitch effect is applied, but you can customize it further. With the glitch effect selected, you'll see controls for adjusting the offset and direction. Use these sliders to fine-tune how strong the glitch looks and which direction the distortion moves. Play around with these settings until you get the exact look you want for your design. You can make the effect subtle or more dramatic depending on your style and purpose. And that's it. You've successfully created a glitch text effect in Canva. This effect works great for modern designs and helps your text grab attention instantly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.